Any day now, the Supreme Court could open the door for individual states to decide whether to ban abortions.
The ruling would overturn Roe v. Wade, ending the constitutional right to an abortion and undoing nearly 50 years of legal precedent in our country. January Keaton explains.
In 1973, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled in Roe v. Wade that women are entitled to an abortion during the first 3 months of pregnancy. Now, nearly 50 years later, that ruling could be overturned.
Approximately half the states in this country are expected to ban abortion. This is a devastating day. We have fought to prevent this from happening.
A leaked draft of the forthcoming ruling suggests the Supreme Court is poised to overturn Roe v. Wade, effectively making it the individual state's decision to allow, restrict, or ban abortions altogether.
I have to tell you, when the leak came down, everybody in our circles, of course, we were very excited. Every child is a miracle, and every human life is a miracle. And that's what we believe.
But pro-choice advocates say a Roe v. Wade overturn could open a Pandora's box of problems, including forcing women to seek abortion pills online without medical supervision and criminalizing women who receive abortions, which may target underserved communities.
We know that this is going to impact everyone, and those who already face the greatest barriers to accessing health care: Black, Indigenous, people of color, LGBTQ people.
Anti-abortion advocates say overturning Roe v. Wade would be a step in the right direction, but wouldn't come with immediate sweeping changes.
Overturning Roe will not mean that suddenly abortion will be illegal in all 50 states. It's going to go back to each individual state.
According to a CDC report, more than 600,000 abortions are performed in the U.S. per year. Women in their 20s make up about 57%, 9% are teenagers, 35% over the age of 30, and over half have at least one child. Around 20,000 abortions are performed in Ohio each year.
People make this decision because it's the best decision for themselves and their families for a variety of reasons.
You don't commit an act of violence upon your body in the name of choice.
Now, the Supreme Court usually tries to wrap up all of its decisions by the end of June and generally saves those big cases for last. So it's likely that this case will be decided sometime next week. Governor DeWine said if the Supreme Court does overturn Roe v. Wade, he would seek to lift the heartbeat bill. That's that bill that effectively bans abortions as early as 6 weeks into pregnancy. He also said he might support pending legislation to fully ban abortions in Ohio altogether. Abortion advocates want President Biden to step in now and take executive action to protect access to abortions, Laura.
All right, January Keaton live for us tonight. January, thanks.